Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking this frozen Borek bites in the air fryer. Borek is a Turkish pastry and it has phyllo dough on the outside and cheese and spinach on the inside. And if you find these in the frozen food section, air fryer is a perfect way to cook them. It just makes them so crispy and so delicious, and let me show you how. So let's open up a package of Borek bites. And take them out of the packaging and put them in an air fryer basket. If you can separate them. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 11 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these Borek bites. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. If it's your first time cooking them in the air fryer, you can use the instant beef thermometer to make sure the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure that they're ready. Also, a good sign that they're ready is if you see the cheese starting to melt. It means it's fully heated inside, cheese is melting, so they're perfect. But you don't want to cook them too much because then too much cheese will melt out. So if you see that, that's a good sign that it's time to take them out of the air fryer. So let's take them out. Perfect. They are so crispy. I could just tell. Do you hear that sound of crispy pastry? So good. Let me cut one to show you the inside. So see, the inside is totally cooked and the cheese is melted. Perfect. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying. So good. Tastes so delicious. Crispy pastry on the outside and cheesy filling on the inside. Cheese and spinach and phyllo pastry is such a great combination. It tastes so delicious. And the air fryer makes it taste freshly baked. So good. If you ever see it in the frozen section, I highly recommend it. It's a perfect appetizer to cook in the air fryer. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!